My video is about removing a fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site ntmadzone.com. If you see these pop-ups, you need to be very careful not to click on the allow button, as these pop-ups might suggest to you. They tell you to click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is a mistake, which would hijack the browser with many intrusive advertisements. So, to remove these ads, here is what you need to do. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and then in Permissions, select Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove all these junk sites manually from the list. So this was the manual solution. To fix your browser automatically, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.